What is going on, YouTube? Back at home, back at Carrera Performance. For the most part, I have everything over here now. Well, the dyno itself is actually set up. So, dyno, and then right in front of it, we're gonna have our 4-post lift. So we can just bring cars on and take them off. And if anything happens, we could just, you know, put them up in the air, see what's going on, whatnot, blah, blah, blah. So we have this, we have a G8. No clue what's going on with that. So, walk around SRT8, stuff like that. We got the C6 over here. It had a hole on this side. It had valve dropped. You can kind of see it right there. Right there. Horrible. Got the C7 on that side. That wall's fixed too, so that wall was actually finished and done. But Wally ran into it with the forklift.
And it hit this wall. I mean, luckily he left us like 2 extra pieces of tile so we can fix it.
Came back from Texas 2K literally yesterday. Got home I think at 2 o'clock in the morning. Really fun, a lot of fast cars, stuff like that. You know, you really see what we could achieve with something with 4 wheels. Shit's great. This thing is hurt.
Huh?
Hurt.
Yeah, it won't be when we're done.
Yeah. Like the lights though. The lights are nice. So he's just moving out the G8 so that he could get his vet out. He's gonna go get lunch. In the meantime, she's gonna start working on this SRT8. I'm not sure what's being done to it. As the process starts, I'll go ahead and ask some questions. What's going on? What he's doing? What parts are going in?
Dyno's hooked up. We just gotta hook up like the PC and the TV. Our drill bit died on us, so.
Like battery or like the whole, like the actual thing?
Just burned out. The bit is just burned out. I mean, we did
a whole bunch of lifts.
And then we did the dyno. We anchored the dyno in the ground, and then we started there. Like, I did 2 there.
Oh yeah.
I did 2 there. I did 2 there. I did 2 here. John wired in the air compressor yesterday. Got to go get anchors for it. It's not like hopping down the shop.
Yeah.
We got to just paint that half a wall that we did over there. That we had a forklift mishap with.
Is that gonna be a blue wall or is that gonna be a silver wall?
We haven't figured it out yet. Silver or blue, or do we do both? Break it up. We'll do what you guys want. Comment below on what you guys want us to do in the shop, and that's what we're gonna do.
Are we gonna have a dyno day for that?
Yeah, for sure. Once this weather breaks, Corona madness is gone. For now, we're just gonna make noise with our own stuff. We'll do a whole video on what that makes. That's never been on a dyno. Only been street tuned by Sky, who tunes it. So comment below on what you guys think that makes. We're gonna do a couple things. Ashish's car is gonna be getting base dyno pull on that. Bone stock. Everybody seems to think we've tuned it, modded it. Car's bone stock V3. We're gonna dyno it and prove that the car's bone stock the way it sits right now. And then we'll show you guys something else in 30 days. And then we got Berto's car. Since we know what Berto's car made on the exact same dyno at LMP, we'll know if it's reading accurately and everything's right, because LMP does have the exact same dyno, and that's who tuned Berto's car after we built it the first time. So we got a whole new build going on Berto's car, right? Berto doesn't talk about that much, but
yeah, you guys will see.
Spree.
Yeah,
Texas,
you guys will see.
Texas 2K got him sick right now.
Oh man, it was great.
He was in Texas 2K and parts were arriving here, and I was like, what the? We got 11 cars to build that are in-house right now, not including Berto's car, Keisha's car, John's car, and whatever finishing stuff we're gonna have to do on my car.
Fucking back into it. All right, let's go, we can. Let's go. Let's go.
The results of not setting your timing correctly. So the piston came up, smacked the head. These are gone, and when we put my scope down inside the motor,
all metal.
There's no piston.
Oh.
We went straight down to the pan. All we saw was rod. So I think the piston snapped in half.
Oh yeah? You going white now?
You know, once you go caramel, you never go back.
Cut the tape. While he's doing a cam job, heads are off, intake is off, radiator is out, lifters, push rods. So next step is to take out the actual cam. Gio's still working on the SRT8. That's going well. So both of these jobs are actually cam jobs.
Just like that, the scan started.
stamped idle for the Jeep SRT8. Finished that up, nice little base tune, clean idle, you know. Actually get it dynoed, see what kind of numbers he make. See you guys next week. All right, cool. I got the Camaro SS up there. Not sure what's going on with that. I'm gonna ask for update. Jeep is right here. Ding. And then we have the G8 back here. That's being flushed from oil right now. You know what they're gonna do with this G8?
Cam, DOD, delete, chasing
Sheesh. Alright, well, yeah, I'll update you guys as soon as I have more information on this.
Tips. Yeah, look how perfect they fit on it.
So Waleed's gonna do the boiler exhaust tips to the 5th gen SS. Well, I guess that's why the car was on. I'm hopefully gonna just do this real quick. You can see the tips are on right there. Alright, what's going on, guys? So it's Tuesday. We're gonna focus on this G8 right here. So radiator's out, for the intake, headers, balancer. Oh my god. Yeah, we need to hook this man up.
Oh, all that's getting new.
Oh yeah.
We just bought Aaron's 1050X injectors. We're going E85.
Oh yes, sir. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Wednesday. John's working on his 300, his SRT8, and then she has the white G8. I think it's a Texas Speed Cam, but let's go check it out, see what he's working on. We got this nice little mint C4. Came in for a rear main seal.
You know, these old schools don't even got bolts down here. Oh, yeah. It's like the top half. Yeah, it's so fucking easy.
Yeah, mint C4. Alright, cool. That's it for Wednesday, guys. So I'll see you guys Thursday. Let's see, we got the Camaro, Rome's V up there. We got the SRT right here. Another SRT. See you guys tomorrow. What is going on, guys? It's I think it's Thursday, something like that. All my days are fucked up right now. But yeah, just got to the shop. We actually have 2 brand new TVs. I think that's for the showroom or lunch area for us. I'm not sure. And then we have the Dyno TV. So this one will be somewhere over there.
Disrespectful.
Why?
These mufflers are dripping water on my car.
Oh man. It's alright.
After everything I do for you.
She. Oh shit. Why are you just heating it up?
Oh, because it's rusty as fuck. That's why.
So we got Chi working on the C4, basic maintenance. We still have the G8 over there. That should be done. Maybe today, tomorrow, depending. I don't know. Have this 300. That was gonna be worked on pretty soon. It might actually be started today. I think we're really gonna focus on installing the TVs and all the accessories like Kwame said for the dyno to get that all set and ready. Maybe see how much the C5 makes, and then go from there.
Dave 426. Look, I got Dave whole tune right here. I should change this shit up and then just tell him, come here, let me do an oil change and load you.
Took a couple minutes, but we got the computer installed, monitor installed. MG Tuning is here, so he's gonna set it up, or TV and computer to his preferences, of course. And after that,
Everything.
we'll see how it works out. We'll go from there.
If the top of the TV is right here, the mirror's not blocking it. Yeah. So we put it like right here. It'll be this and high. It comes out and turns.
Which one though? The 75 or the 55?
That's 75. Clicking every button he can click. He clicks it on the remote and the computer lights up. Like, oh, I got it. You put the left corner right here. It turns out.
Hey, fuck all that. Let's put the challenge on the dyno. Let's go. Let's get this shit. Let's roll.
Hey, the Mopar tuner's here.
Strap this motherfucking dyno. I'm dead ass serious though. I'm dead ass serious.
I know y'all seen that video. Hit play. Comment down below if y'all did. Like MG Tuning said, first, full send. We are waiting on the alignment rack alignment rack we have, but Hunter's gonna come through and actually install it, so it'll be way easier and simpler than us actually doing it. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, like always. See you guys next Friday. Oh, that was Friday. You already know. We got the grill cooking up, stuff like that. We're gonna have burger, glizzy, locks, whatever you like to say.
Berto got the lug nuts on his V backwards. Half the reason we haven't been motivated to work on it is because nobody wants to go fight to take the lug nuts off.
Work on Berto's V.
Get on the grill.
Yeah.
It's Friday. We've had a long week. We got our dyno working. We're about to make some noise after this though. We're about to just do some hood rat shit.
Done with my little lunch break. But we actually just had a couple tires come in. 2, 4, 6, 8 pairs of tires. Not sets, but as you see, FedEx just came in.
Yeah, no.
Just
One of the
dropped off
pros
all
already
these
sold,
tires.
and then Wally got the other set of pros, and one of the ETs, Street R should be sold there.
Whole bunch of meat. That's what we like. No homo. Alright, so we're getting John's car ready. It's all on dyno, all set, strapped down. So I'm gonna need y'all to comment down below. I'm gonna need y'all to predict how much he's gonna make. See who's the closest one. Maybe the closest person could possibly get something. Some sort of reward, maybe, I don't know. But this is a 5.7 Challenger. 18, I believe, or 19. With a Vortec V3 Pro Charger on it. So comment down below.
He wanted it to make 500. It made 580.
Alright, now let's put Brandon's car on.
And it's not fully dialed in on E85.
Fuck that. No more fucking dynos. Get this shit out of here.
Oh my God. The car made more power than he wanted it
No
to make.
more dynos. Everybody go home.
Don't kick me out of my shop.
Yeah, right?
That's about right.
407.
407. I mean, granted, when it was on Brent's dyno, it had like 80,000 miles. Now it's got 200 plus thousand miles. It made 430 then on that dyno, and it made 407 here. I mean, and I let off early.
Alright, so Cheese all done with the vet. He came in for a rear main seal on the transmission. Then as soon as he did that, he saw that the transmission was actually leaking a bit of fluid. So I ended up fixing that. Shoot, this thing is really clean though. Yeah, look at this interior, man. This thing is sweet. So like I said, look at this interior. All leather, stuff like that. Real nice, real nice. And the paint is super, super pristine.